In this video, we are going to learn about the sort and filter functions. Let's begin with the sort function. As the name suggests, it allows you to sort a range based on the values in one or more columns, either in ascending or descending order. The syntax of the sort function is =sort, open parenthesis, range, comma, sort column, comma, is ascending, close parenthesis. Range is the data to be sorted. Sort column is the index of the column within the range or a range outside the main range that contains the values by which to sort. Is ascending can either be true or false. True indicates whether to sort the column in ascending order, false sorts in descending order. Additional columns and sort order flags are optional. For example, if you have a list of aircraft IDs along with the type of maintenance and the hours since the last maintenance, you can use the sort function in Google Sheets to organize the records in your preferred order. Let's go through a couple of examples to make things clearer. Example 1. Suppose I want to sort the aircraft based on the total hours since their last maintenance, from lowest to highest, or in ascending order. Enter the formula =sort, open parenthesis, A3 colon C10, comma, 3, comma, true, close parenthesis. Here's a breakdown. A3 colon C10 is a range, 3 is the index of the hours column, true indicates ascending order. The result displays the order sorted by hours since the last maintenance. Example 2. This time, let's sort by maintenance type in descending order. Enter the formula =sort, open parenthesis, A3 colon C10, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. 2 is the index of the maintenance type column. False sorts the values in descending order. The result displays the records sorted from maintenance types starting with S to those starting with A. Now let's talk about the filter function. As the name suggests, it returns a filtered version of the source range, showing only rows or columns that meet the specified conditions. Google Sheets filter function syntax is =filter, open parenthesis, range, comma, condition 1, comma, condition 2, and so on, close parenthesis. Range is the cells that you want to filter. Condition 1, a column or row of true or false values or an array formula that returns true or false values. Condition 2 is optional. This is the second option you want to apply. When multiple conditions are used, only rows that return true for all conditions will be included. If no rows match the condition, the filter function returns not applicable error. Let's go through a few examples. Example 1. To filter the dataset to show only records with engine check as a maintenance type, type =filter, open parenthesis, A3 colon C10, comma, B3 colon B10 equals engine check, close parenthesis. This returns only the records where the maintenance type is engine check. Example 2. To filter aircraft with over 200 hours since the last maintenance, enter =filter, open parenthesis, A3 colon C10, comma, C3 colon C10 greater than 200, close parenthesis. This returns records with more than 200 hours since the last maintenance. Example 3. Let's filter only the aircraft IDs that start with B7. To do that, I'll type =filter, open parenthesis, A3 colon C10, comma, left, open parenthesis, A3 colon A10, comma, 2, close parenthesis, =B7, close parenthesis. Now we only see rows where the aircraft ID starts with B7. Let's try sorting this filter result by hours, from lowest to highest. To do that, I'll wrap the filter function inside a sort function. So now, it shows the aircraft IDs that start with B7, and they are sorted based on the hours column in ascending order. Example 4. Let's filter maintenance types that end with the word check. To do that, I'll type =filter, open parenthesis, A3 colon C10, comma, right, open parenthesis, B3 colon B10, comma, 5, close parenthesis, equals check, close parenthesis. That means I'm checking the last 5 letters in the maintenance type column. Now, we only see the types that end in check. Let's sort this filtered result by maintenance type in descending order. We type =sort, open parenthesis, filter, open parenthesis, A3 colon C10, comma, right, open parenthesis, B3 colon B10, comma, 5 close parenthesis, equals check, close parenthesis, comma, 2, comma, false, close parenthesis. Now, we see only those that end in check, sorted from Z to A based on maintenance type. And that's it. If this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick and easy lessons. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.